Hello and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week, ending December 2nd, all of the three major indexes were positive, with the Nasdaq leading the way, up slightly more than 2%, as investors made their way through a lot of economic data that was released. So let's get right to it. The FHFA Home Price Index increased 0.1% in September, higher than expected. Consumer confidence declined in October and November due to inflationary concerns and higher gas prices. GDP for the third quarter was revised up slightly from 2.6% to 2.9%. The pending home sales index continued to show weakness in October as it declined 4.6%. The number of job openings decreased by 353,000 to 10.3 million, still high compared to historical standards. Personal income increased 0.7% in October, while disposable personal income also increased by 0.7%. Initial jobless claims decreased by 16,000 to 225,000 for the week ending November 26th. Construction spending declined 0.3% in October. The U.S. manufacturing sector index continued to weaken in November to a level of 49 and is now in contraction territory for the first time since May of 2020. And 263,000 jobs were created in November, holding the unemployment rate at 3.7%, while the labor participation rate declined slightly from 62.2 to 62.1%. Year to date, the Dow is down 5.3%, the S&P down 14.6%, and the Nasdaq is down 26.7%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 3.49%. The yield on the 2-year bond is 4.28%. Oil closed at $80.13 a barrel. Gold closed at $1,797.30 an ounce, with silver closing at $23.17 an ounce. For this week of December 5th, Monday we'll get the U.S. Services PMI, the ISM Services Index, and factory orders. Tuesday, the trade deficit will be reported. Wednesday, we'll get third quarter productivity data, unit labor costs, and consumer credit. Thursday, initial jobless claims will be reported. And on Friday, the Producer Price Index, wholesale inventories, and the University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index and their 5-year inflation expectations all will be reported. And as always, we'll keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. In the meantime, be diversified with your investments and always know what you own in your portfolio. If you have any questions pertaining to your portfolio or anything you've heard in this video, give me a call. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a fantastic week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.